So, where will you study? I heard you were going abroad next year.
I am planning to go to Canada. I applied to a few universities but I am still waiting for confirmation. I haven't been accepted yet.
Oh, that's great. Are you excited? What will you study?
Very excited. You remember I told you I wanted to study journalism.
Yes, of course.
Well, some of the graduate programs in Canada are very good, and they offer internships. I can work for a media company and maybe get a job there in the future.
Well, I hope it works out. How about the weather? Isn't it cold? I had a friend that went to Canada and all he talked about was the cold weather. -50 degrees.
Yes, it's very cold. But I like snow. It cannot be that bad.
Negative so. Are you crazy?
It's very international. If other people can do it, I can do it.
Hopefully. Well, it looks beautiful and I heard the food is really good. They have everything there.
Yeah, we can eat a different type of food every day. Pho on Mondays, sushi on Tuesdays, Italian on Wednesdays. Just thinking about it is making me hungry.
Good luck. Let me know when you find out.
To find plus out, to learn new information. Exercise. She found out that she was accepted to Harvard University. Exercise. He found out his business partner was stealing money. Thinking about plus something, planning to do something. Exercise. I am thinking about going to Taiwan next year. Exercise. I am thinking about asking her on a date. Making plus someone plus hungry, informal, commonly said when we are thinking about food, or smell, seafood. Exercise. The smell in making me hungry. It smells so good. To have everything. Hope something works out. To wish good luck. Exercise. I hope the new job works out. Exercise. I hope it works out with your new girlfriend. I like her. Also, working out is used for exercise. Be careful. Internship. A short work experience during or after university, often not paid. Exercise. I have an internship at Google. I am so excited. Confirmation. To inform about something. Exercise. I received a confirmation that my plane ticket was purchased. Exercise. She received a confirmation from the school that she would have classes in January. Accepted, usually used for school admission. Exercise. She was accepted into the medical program. Exercise. She was accepted into the business program at RMIT.
Did you see the last season of Game of Thrones?
Yep. I have got to say, I am little disappointed. I thought it would be better.
Me too. It felt so rushed. They tried to do too much. But, the special effects were amazing. I mean, that dragon scene was epic. It looked so real.
Shocking was not it. They burnt everyone alive.
Well, now that the season is done, I need something new to watch. Any recommendations?
Did you so Wu-Tang?
What's that? Wu-Tang? As in the rap group?
Yeah. They have a TV series. It's pretty cool.
No way. That's great. Is it any good?
Not bad. It won't win any awards but it's interesting to learn about them.
It's a documentary.
No. It's a drama. But it's based on real life.
Okay, so, what's been your favorite TV show this year?
Definitely Mr. Rowan.
Oh, yeah. It's quite good, isn't it? It really makes you think.
Yep. But probably we should be exercising more. Less TV, more exercise.
Agreed.
Season N. A group of TV episodes, usually for 1 year. Exercise. The first season of Friends was very funny. To make you think, something makes you think about life. Exercise. That photograph really makes you think. Exercise. That film really makes you think. Based on plus something, usually describes fiction that describes something real. Exercise. There was a film about Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook that was based on really life. Epic. Slang. Really amazing exercise. That show was epic. That concert was epic. Documentary N. A non-fiction film about real life. Exercise. I watched a documentary about Tokyo recently. It's a very interesting city. Special effects N. The computer graphics in a film or TV show. Exercise. The special effects in the new Star Wars movie are very good. But the acting is terrible.
Hey, what's up? What you doing?
Just finishing up things at university. I have got a paper due tomorrow, but it's almost done. Maybe another hour.
Ah, cool. What's it about? I miss university.
Actually, it's an economics paper about democracy.
Oh, that sounds brutal. Ha ha.
Brutal but interesting. I don't mind it. So, what you're doing?
Well, just finished work. Hitting up a dance class and then maybe dinner. Want to meet up?
Let's play it by ear.
Sure. I probably won't go until later. 8 or 9-ish.
Sweet. That's great. Pizza and a pint.
Perfect. We can meet downtown.
Okay. See you soon. Pint. A glass of beer. Exercise. Let's have a pint after work. Number plus-ish, 8-ish, 9-ish, 10-ish. Native speakers often add plus-ish to a number when they didn't have a specific time. It generally means near to a number. Exercise. When do you want to meet? 10-ish. They will meet at close to 10. Hitting up, slang, going to. Exercise. I am hitting up the gym after work. We are hitting up a movie at the cinema. To play by ear, expression, people say this when they don't want to make a plan because they are busy. Exercise. I think I have free time to hang out on Saturday, but let's play it by ear. Exercise. I have a lot of homework and maybe I won't have time. Brutal, really tough, really awful, really difficult, used to describe many things. Exercise. It is brutally hot. That class was brutal. This rock band is brutal, let's go home. Checking in slang, to call a person and ask about what they are doing. Exercise. I will check in with you later when I am done work. Maybe we can go for a drink. Finishing plus up, to almost finish something, usually it relates to work. Example, I am finishing up the housework and will be free in an hour. Exercise. Finish up your meal, the food here is not cheap. Hey, have you tried Suma?
Is that a person?
No, it's a website.
Don't know it. What is exactly?
Basically, it has a bunch of online courses. You can learn almost anything.
Oh, interesting. Did you try it?
Yeah, just recently. I downloaded a course about online marketing. I think it was like 2000 or something. Not expensive.
That's pretty responsible. How's the quality though?
Not bad. I think some courses are better than others, but for 2000 you cannot complain. And usually there are reviews.
Ah, I see. Actually, I have been thinking about trying to learn SEO. Maybe it's a good way.
With the price of classes. I can't believe people still go to university.
Yeah, it's almost not worth it. I am still paying off my student debt.
Oh, that sucks. Maybe you could make an online course.
What would I teach?
You are good at video games, right?
Could I teach that?
Maybe, you never know. Maybe you will get rich. Quality, used to describe the value of something. Exercise, the quality of LV is very good, but it is too expensive. Exercise, the food quality at most pizza restaurants is bad, but pizza is delicious. I don't care. Online course, something you study on the internet. Exercise, I am taking an online course this semester. That sucks. Expression, used when a person feels bad. Exercise, A. I lost my phone. B. That sucks. Sorry to hear you lost it. Exercise, A. My girlfriend broke up with me. B. That sucks. To be not worth it. Expression, used for many things, usually describing spending too much time, money, or energy or something. Exercise, the concert ticket is 500. I like Jay-Z, but it's not worth it. That is a lot of money. Exercise, the bus trip takes 10 hours and we only have 2 days for our holiday. Let's go somewhere else. Student debt, the money a student owes to the government or bank. Exercise, often students borrow money to go to university. Student debt is a big problem in America. A bunch, many of something. Exercise, I have a bunch of clothes that I don't want. There are a bunch of people in the restaurant. Reasonable, not expensive. Exercise, the price for the ticket is reasonable, I think I can afford it. Or something, slang, added at the end of a sentence to estimate. Exercise, he is 25 or something. It is 10 weeks or something. I think 5,000 taka or something.
So, what do you think about plastic surgery?
What do I think about it?
Yeah, would you ever get it done? It's very common these days.
I never really thought about it. To be honest, I don't think I would. It seems so unnatural. I can't understand why people do it.
Well, maybe people don't like their faces or they think it will get them a better job.
I guess so. But why can't people just accept their own faces? Not everyone looks like a movie star. It's not a bad thing.
True. Society is kind of crazy that way. We all think we need to look like models. I blame advertising.
Advertising? Why is that?
In the past, people didn't think so much about their appearance. I mean, people didn't care so much about what other people thought. But now social media is so important and everyone is addicted to their smartphones.
I heard depression is more common these days. Many people have mental health problems.
Wow. I didn't know that. Why?
I think it is because people always compare themselves to others.
Maybe if people spent more time doing yoga and less time taking selfies.
Agreed.
Blame, because of, usually negative. Exercise, there's a lot of crime in my city. I blame the police, they don't help. Addicted, cannot stop doing something. Exercise, he is addicted to drugs. Get plus something plus done, to complete something. Exercise, he is getting his tattoo done. He is getting plastic surgery done. Social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Exercise, many people spend their time using social media. Depression, feeling of sadness that doesn't go away quickly. Exercise, depression can often make life difficult and sometimes people need to see a doctor for medication to help them feel better. Mental health, your emotional health and psychological health. Exercise, many people go to yoga classes because it helps them with their mental health. Selfie, take a photo yourself. Exercise, young people love taking selfies. Unnatural, not natural. Exercise, his hair looks unnatural. It is pink color.